Hiccups, causes and home remedies. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Alema Health Matters. Is this your first time? I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and also share. You can also comment on the comment section and share your views about this video. Don't forget to click on the bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. By the end of this discussion, we will be able to achieve the following objectives: hiccups, causes, and home remedies. Hiccups often occur suddenly, and people may find that they quickly become bothersome. Although hiccups typically resolve in time, people may try a variety of unusual and creative ways to get rid of them. The medical term for hiccup is sigitus. In terms of physiology, a hiccup occurs when the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles suddenly contract involuntarily. The larynx or voice box contracts at the same time, and the vocal folds close, effectively blocking the flow of air. Causes of hiccups. The exact cause of hiccups is not always known. However, any condition that irritates the diaphragmatic nerve can potentially lead to hiccups. Many other factors can also play a role. Possible triggers of hiccups include eating spicy foods, drinking hot liquids, eating a large meal, drinking carbonated beverages, eating too fast, taking certain medications. Another possible trigger is experiencing strong emotions or stress. Hiccups treatment. In the vast majority of cases, hiccups go away on their own within a few minutes. Treating any underlying condition that causes hiccups may help reduce their frequency. The following are some tips and home remedies for dealing with a bout of hiccups. Number 1 is breathing and posture. Regardless of where they are, when hiccups begin, people can try breathing in and holding the breath for about 10 seconds, then inhaling 2 more times before exhaling. Breathing into a paper bag but taking care not to cover the head with the bag. Bringing the knees to the chest and hugging them, then compressing the chest gently by leaning forward. The second remedy is eating and drinking. Several suggestions, techniques for stopping hiccups involve food and drink. They include gargling with iced water, placing a couple of drops of vinegar in the mouth, placing some granulated sugar on the tongue and then swallowing it, sipping very cold water slowly, and biting a slice of lemon. Thirdly, pressure points. Other techniques that might work for some people include pulling gently on the tongue, which may stimulate the vagus nerve and ease diaphragm's spasms, pressing lightly on the diaphragm, and placing gentle pressure on each side of the nose while swallowing. That is the last part of this discussion. I urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Alema Health Matters. Like this video and also share. You can also comment on the comment section and share your views about this video. Thank you so much for watching.